And if you've ever fancied designing your own fashion, here's a great trick I can show you. Fashion. It's everywhere, isn't it? High street stores, on the telly, in adverts, catalogues, magazines, even online. We're surrounded by the latest trendy fashions. And behind every fashion design is a fashion designer. And when you look at these fashion designers' illustrations, they even seem to have a trendy style of their own. Look how long and angular the models are. They're very exaggerated. Well, that's a trick that fashion designers use to make the clothes look more sleek and flowing. Want to try some fashion design yourself? Well, here's a great way of doing the fashion designer's trick, the Art Attack Fashion Triangle Trick. The idea is to draw your model lightly in pencil first using triangles. But here's the trick. Start with a long, thin triangle for the head, and then do each part of the body with long, thin triangles, but make the triangles longer the further down the body you go. So, okay, I'm going down the body there. There's the leg. I'm making the triangles longer like that. And also try to put your model into a sort of model style pose. So when you've finished, you will have a model made out of long, thin triangles. I'm just going to put the back leg there like that. And maybe the arms again, triangles, long and thin on the hips like that. And as you can see, the triangles are longer the further down the body you get, and all of the triangles point downwards. Now, okay, it doesn't look like a fashion model yet, but the idea is to get that long, sleek feel to your picture. And it really comes to life when you hang your fashion designs onto it. Start by putting in an oval face and a long neck. How about a tiny nose and full lips like that? And I'm putting on a short-sleeved cut-off top with ragged edges, and just smooth out the corners of the triangles with clothes as you go. How about a pair of cut-off jeans, again with ragged edges to complete that sort of gypsy look? And to complement the look, I want some accessories like a necklace and a loopy belt to match. How about some bangles? And then just smooth out the arms, not too much. And what about some flatty shoes? Again in the same ragged style. I'm just going to finish off the legs, smooth them out, and then put on whatever hairstyle you like. And there is my design. And you can do lots of different model poses using pointy triangles, which all point down from the head and get longer and longer as they get further down the legs. And then use them to hang on your own designs. This is a disco diva design and a more formal wedding collection. And if you're designing men's clothes, just make the triangles more chunky at the top across the shoulders and arms. Very smart. And if you just do rough sketches like these, when you're happy with your designs, colour them in. And there it is, the Art Attack collection. Try it yourself, experiment with different poses and your own fashion designs by using the Art Attack Fashion Designer's Triangle Trick.